On command signal, he came in a different vehicle. On command signal, he came in a different vehicle. His vehicle is here. This is his vehicle right here. It was a pre-planned attack, order of protection, along with homeowner Martinez and the gray car as well, family members. He parked his car here, pre-planned attack for today. And he just got home. He's ready to reload. And it's 3:35 p.m. June 22nd, 2024, Saturday. The mule just got back home, ready to reload. Again, this is his car, and he was dropped off by another car. And he walked in on instructions given on command signal, trying to avoid the camera. High-tech surveillance monitor. This address is 5130 West 24th Street in Laramie, Cicero, Illinois 60804. You saw him with the fake construction uniform. That's a front cover-up. Daily drug dealing, traffic transactions, distribution and packing. The basement, Candyman. Special delivery, white powder bags. The little girl continues to be in danger. Little girl right along continues as well. And that permit that you see right there on the door, these construction workers that are very good clientele of their white powder bag residue product will be working here. That's correct, people. The construction people that are very well documented are going to be working here. They are the clientele of this organized crime. So I guess that's it. The order of protection continues. As you can see, homeowner Martinez, family parked in the back, and earlier we had the black Mustang that homeowner Martinez's son is in care of. The hitman's car. The hitman's car is no longer there, but it was earlier. And of course, the mule, he pre-planned. He was instructed to park there pre-planned the night before. Okay, we're gonna roll this on.